Okay, now you can see it better. Now you can see the ideas. These are all ideas. And these are the points that each idea got. So you see that made in EU store for EU store got 26. Peer-to-peer system got 13. Enhanced service promotion got 16. Charity pool 8. And pay-as-you-use companies, travel companies and insurance companies got 13. Group 2, networking, network of networks. Combination of conferences 0. Inventory of available networks 7. Crowdsourcing 13. New high quality communication networks 20. Lingua franca chatting services 40. Teleconference coffee breaks 37. And group 3, universal public traffic ticket 22. Voice controlled information two-way, vehicle to vehicle, and so on and so forth. Was it 0? It doesn't say.
So it's combined.
It's combined, but okay, that's 27. Yeah. 3, transformer 0. Intelligent safe hitchhiking 10. Innovation machine, garbage in, diamond out 5. Tracker system for goods 3. Rollable laptop 3. Black box in the car 2. Come home car 3. Collision avoidance system 14. Price giving car 4. Exercise fitness car 7. Bingo 0. Zumba 0. What do you think?
So how should we do next?
Any comments so far? No? Okay, then the next phase. We have now the 3 best, or actually in this case 4 best, because these got equal number of votes in group 1, in group 2. 3 best and 3 best. And now we vote by, maybe I try to get rid of those. It would be good to see them all at one, right? Okay, can we do it? So we have to make it smaller in order to get them all here. How do you make it smaller? Just somewhat smaller. It's almost all, but not quite.
Yeah.
This is it. This time it's 10 best of all groups. And now we vote, and we everybody has 1 vote. And when I say the number, you raise your hand if you think this is the best. Don't. The number. But we take. Yeah, but we take each at a time. And remember not to cheat. You only got 1 vote. But I give you a couple of minutes time to consider. If you have some questions now, make the questions or comments or whatever comes to your mind. And then you, at the same time, consider which you would like to see is preferable, best, desirable, your own independent idea.
Question.
I don't understand why is it necessary to vote once again, because we have voted with the points, and the number of points gives the result, in my opinion. So I consider it entirely unnecessary. It's my personal opinion, sorry.
So what do you think, Pirkko?
I agree.
There was one point that in certain groups there were many ideas or just few, and then it makes a little difference in.
All of the groups.
Yeah,
not
but
just
yeah,
what
but I'm not sure. Yeah.
There is logical.
I think it's necessary to vote because during the first round you had only the possibility to vote on your own group's
idea.
choices, and there were different numbers of attendees within the groups. And
So
also
they are
a
not
different number of-
comparable. They are
Yeah.
not comparable in the sense.
Couldn't we do it a little bit easier to just have no, just the suggestion has more than 20 points?
Best 5 more than 20 points.
Yeah, this 10 is a little too much. We are so
This-
few. We are not
yeah.
enough to have.
Maybe one comment. Emilio told me that, for example, the Made in EU store for U store, which we thought was a new idea, is actually something that's ongoing in the EC.
There are many of
And
those.
also, the universal public traffic
Yeah.
ticket is already ongoing.
Yeah, many of those
So if
are
we-
already
I don't
existing.
think we can choose an idea that's already ongoing. It must be a new idea, right? So that should maybe be used for selection as well.
Well, if you consider any of these actually is actually existing in some form or another. Many of these are applications that are using the technology that are already there. So that is a bit awkward. What kind of prioritization we want to make? Do we like to have a most radical idea? Are there any radical ideas in this list? Not really.
Actually, coming from the evaluation work package, I have a specific approach to this, because we have to define first what are we going to evaluate or to vote on. Is it innovativeness, or is it just the idea in general, or is it the user need, because we think this is an idea which is really good because it's needed. So we have to clarify what are we voting on. I think.
Yeah, that's what I said. Are we going to trying to find the most radical ones or most useful one for somebody?
We can vote
or
on that.
No,
or
I would
what
like
do you
to-
prefer?
Yeah, I would like to vote just what I feel. This is the service I would like to have now.
Yeah, that's what
first.
we started in the
My own
first place,
opinion,
that your
yeah.
own personal opinion,
own
that
personal
I would
opinion
like to have.
Yes, this one. Yeah.
Think about that.
Mm.
This is certainly something that I would like to have. This is certainly something that I would like to have.
The first priority. I would like to have this first.
Listen to your
About
Listen to your heart. Listen to your heart. Something that triggers something in your brains, in your heart, and you think this is something I would like to have.
Problem is it's really hard if you have just one vote, because
It is. But we already gave 12 points around,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
in the
yeah.
Euro contest.
yeah.
12 points. To whom?
It's possible if we put these on a paper and then everybody again gets the 6 points and has 3, 2, and 1. Then
That
it's
could
really
al-
hard to me to
exactly,
choose one,
that's
because
true.
there are many I would like to choose. And
Then of course there is a possibility that, but if you get 6 points, then how do you distribute them? You should only have one.
no,
dot,
I mean
actually.
people could then choose 3, 2, and 1 points, put them on
Again,
their own,
again, kind
or
of.
however they want, of course.
Yeah, but again the same as 3, 2, and 1.
Yeah.
That's a possibility. Another, of course, that you write down the name of the idea and then roll it in a little piece of paper and put it in the hat.
Oh, that we can do. Yes. why
Yeah,
not?
that would be a good idea, like
Yeah,
voting.
Then we need a number of these different.
We-
because-
Yeah, renumbering them, and we get these post-its. You write post-it and fold it double like this and put the number in that, and then we collect them and then we count them.
This is not deliberate choice. This is not deliberate choice.
But this was already the
Yeah. Okay. Now they are numbered. And let's. So how was the vote? We can vote how many? How many we can vote? Or three? One is not enough. No, I want to give more.
I have to leave with 3.
Okay. Everybody can give a vote for 3 different.
So many votes.
Yeah. Because we have too few to. I mean, it's
One vote.
really.
That was my idea. But if you want, you can put the number here and give me the paper if you want to be anonymous.
One person, one vote.
Yes. One person, one vote.
One man, one word.
Who wants to vote one vote?
One vote.
One vote.
Secret voting.
Yeah, but secret vote.
Okay. Do you have a pen?
We can immediately go.
No, because we have already discussed it. We can do so that we give a lot of votes and Pirkko decides.
She's reading ahead. She's counting the money.
We have to elect the committee.
Vote committee.
No, this is exactly like the Eurovision Song Contest, but without the telephone vote. So, and you never know what's happening behind the scenes.
When we are running.